This video will show you how to quickly set up KOLSprite MCP, connect, verify, and install the skill, and show you how to use AI for TikTok research and video script analysis. Set up KOLSprite MCP. Before setup, you need to get your KOLSprite MCP key. The MCP key is the credential for connecting to KOLSprite MCP services. Please contact KOLSprite support to get your exclusive MCP key. Here, first, we'll use codecs as an example. Open the MCP configuration page. Click your ID in the bottom left to open settings. Select plugins. Find the MCP configuration entry. Click Add Server. If you have enabled the General MCP, add the configuration as follows. Set the name to KOLSprite General MCP. For type, select Streamable TAT. For URL, enter this link. Then enter the secret key. For value, paste the MCP key provided by KOLSprite. If you have enabled the Caption MCP, you need to add a separate Caption MCP configuration. The setup steps are the same as General MCP. After completing the setup, save the MCP settings, and restart codecs to make the service take effect. If you don't know how to configure MCP, you can let AI complete the setup for you. Based on the service type you enabled, copy the corresponding setup prompt, replace the MCP key and send it to AI. AI will automatically configure it, based on the client you are currently using. After completing the MCP setup, we recommend installing KOLSprite Skill. MCP provides AI with tool capabilities. Skill helps AI understand TikTok operation tasks. After installation, AI can call MCP more efficiently. Installing the skill is very simple. Just copy the command below, and let an AI that supports terminal operations complete the installation. Use AI to call KOLSprite MCP. For example, you want to research new beauty products in the US market. Simply ask AI. AI will automatically call KOLSprite MCP to analyze product, store, video, and creator data. After connecting KOLSprite MCP, you can let AI help with TikTok market research, viral content analysis, creator selection, competitor research, video script analysis,